In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post full pictures on Instagram without a crop. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on the little plus icon in the middle of the screen at the bottom. That's going to bring up the page where you can upload pictures, and you can see I've selected a picture here, but you can see it's kind of cropped in. So if I go ahead and tap on that button on the far left, you can see that it now posts the picture in full without any crop, and you can see you can toggle it on, that's cropped in, you can toggle it off, and that's cropped out. So that is how you post full pictures on Instagram without a crop. And then to post this, you just tap on next and you'll be able to post that. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.